Mechanical keyboard switches come in different types, primarily categorized as linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear switches have a smooth, consistent keystroke without any bumps or clicks. Tactile switches offer a noticeable bump at the actuation point, providing feedback without noise. Clicky switches combine a tactile bump with an audible click, offering both feedback and sound. Each type caters to different preferences for typing feel and sound, making them ideal for various tasks, like typing, gaming, or programming.